Can you believe that after watching this video, you will always have the pictures in the best quality? And it only takes a second to go from low to high quality images. This video is an artificial intelligence tool review for the image Upscaler. So I have this really beautiful picture. The only problem is that I can't use it anywhere because the quality of the pictures is really low. The resolution is really bad, and you can see how bad it looks when you zoom in. The link to the homepage of the iMage Upscaler is in the description. So I went to the homepage and uploaded my low quality picture. You have the option of going with a 200% upscale or a much better 400%. So I chose the 400% upscale. Now you only need to wait until your low quality image is uploaded and upscaled. You can see that the upscaling process is finished when the download button appears. And that is our final result. That looks awesome. The artificial intelligence made the picture a lot better. Let's compare the low quality picture with the new enhanced picture. That's insane. The quality of the picture is now really good and all the blur is gone. The best thing about this tool is that it is completely free. You will get every week 5 image upscales for free. If that's not enough for you, you can upgrade to bigger packages. I want to know from you in the comments what rating from 1 to 10 you would give the iMage Upscaler. My personal rating is a 9 out of 10. That's it from me. Hope to see you in the next video. Your artificial intelligence Einstein.